Say hello, Pig.
Bye. Look, look.
Jeffrey? Where's your telephone?
Is it?
Huh?
Milk. Oh, give me this.
Hello? Hello?
Finish there.
Who's there?
Oh, bye.
Is that Jeffrey? You pitted there?
I was the hands. I took a donkey's cell phone. Hello? Hi, Dad. I took a donkey's cell phone. And my son was the hands.
Those aren't hard.
Don't. Where's your toys? Play with your toys. Where's your rubber ducky? Huh?
Oh, look.
Where's your yellow
That.
rubber ducky?
Grease.
A bee. That's a bee. Where's your big yellow ducky?
Hello, this.
Yeah, there he is. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, don't beat his head. You gonna give him a kiss? He wants you to kiss him. Say, Jeffy, don't hurt me. Give me a kiss.
You gonna give him a kiss?
I like you.
It's gonna hurt him. So much for gentleness. Here's a little bitty rubber ducky. You gonna give him a kiss?